let me show you how I made these delicious chocolate muffins that everyone was talking about. These are the ingredients I used. I shredded some chocolate bars, some milk, egg, some chocolate chips, flavor, baking powder and baking soda, and I also have melted butter. I'm using condensed milk and normal evaporated milk, and just trying to save the flour right now. And I'm just going to mix up all the dry ingredients. Thereafter, I whisk all the wet ingredients together and just wash. I did it. I just added my sugar right now. Don't forget to add your little salt, the pinch of salt, okay? Lest I forget, the base of this cake is cocoa powder, okay? The natural original bitter cocoa powder. So that's what you need to use. You can see I was not adding enough sugar because I was adding condensed milk and a lot of other things that sweeten it up, okay? Especially the chocolate bars. So I wasn't using enough sugar. It was just nice and not too sugary. So let's go. Enjoy yourself.
Be our special guest. Start your day with pancakes, fluffy and light.
Here is a little secret I usually add, okay? Hot water. Hot water is my secret, so I'll just use it to rinse the bowl I use to mix the condensed milk. They pour it in, and it's just going to help to melt up this mixture, this batter, and it's so nice like this. So you can never go wrong with using hot water. Can you see the texture, how it looks? This is how it should be, okay? So now I just pour in my shredded chocolate bars, and now I'm putting the chocolate chips that I bought. I'll just mix everything together. Thereafter, I got these cupcakes, okay? So it's better because I don't have to bother about washing anything. So get the cupcakes and just have some, maybe 2 to 3 spoons inside. And thereafter, this is how they are. Now just put some of the chocolate chips on top of it. They can melt with it as soon as it's in the fire. They'll heat up and melt, okay? Some will melt, some will not actually melt. So this is it, and voila, it's ready. So guys, it's a nice one, and this was what I made for Christmas. It was so nice and everyone loved it. I believe you've seen the video where I combined it or mixed it up with my fruit, right? So I'm just having a taste of it right now. Guys, you will wish you want to test these chocolate muffins. It's so nice. It's not too sugary. For me, I don't usually like sugary stuff, so I decided to make it in a way that I can eat it. So it was so nice. I was actually feeling it right now inside the corner of my brain. Okay, so guys, would you be trying this recipe out? Let's know in the comment section. So this is the aftermath of everything. This was how I set my Christmas table. Is it not looking beautiful? I added the fruits at the middle and surrounded them with these chocolate muffins to give it a beautiful and nice design. You know, before you eat something, you need to feed it with your eyes. Your eyes need to eat first, right? Guys, please share this video, okay? And give it a thumbs up.